welcome to We Are Fin. Down here at FliteTrak with Andrew Barnett, the MD of FliteTrak. Welcome to We Are Fin, Andrew.
Hello, welcome.
Some great technology which you are responsible for, not just as MD of the business as well, but the designer of this technology. Talk me through what SpriteAero technology is.
SpriteAero is a Internet of Sensing technology. So we have sniffers which sample the air, wirelessly transmit that technology to central hubs and then to our servers, so that we can monitor air quality in all sorts of environments, and in particular in aircraft environments.
So why is this important, not just to the aircraft, the airliners, of course, the companies, and passengers?
Yeah, there's a passenger component. Obviously, the quality of the cabin environment, particularly on long haul, is important to the passengers for their comfort. But equally, there is the chance of some noxious, potentially harmful gases emanating from various things. And in the past, that has not been something that's been monitored. So we've now got the technology that we can implement on aircraft to be able to pick that up and highlight it to the crew.
And is this something of a world first?
This, as far as we're aware, is a world first, and it's from the UK, which is even more important.
That's very important, and it's modular, so what else can we integrate this with?
We can integrate it with cabin temperature, humidity. We can monitor the passenger movement on each one of the seats, so we can identify when we've got agitated passengers, potentially unwell passengers. And in the not too distant future, there may be a chance that we can hook into Fitbit or Apple Watches to do that. But obviously there's a privacy and a data collection thing to get hold of it.
And at the moment, all this is working with anonymous data, of course?
Yes, it is. Yeah. We're very conscious that the data is anonymous, and the data is transmitted securely. So because we transmit a lot of raw data, anyone intercepting our network won't make sense of the vast majority of it anyway.
So you say intercepting that network, the sensors and the monitoring, remote monitoring is taking place on the aircraft. What happens to it from that point on?
We transmit wirelessly within the aircraft environment. We log it to a central point. We have got the ability to then transmit it via satellite, or when the aircraft arrives on the ground, we can upload all of that data that's been collected to the flight. That can be useful, one, from an ongoing passenger environment for the airline, but equally when it comes to monitoring the passenger and the usage of the seats, we could actually highlight overuse of seats to maintenance crews, and then that will give them an indication of where seats need replacing very, very quickly and easily.
Now, we often use the IoT, the Internet of Things, as a buzzword, but that sounds like this is something that this application is going to work really well with.
Yes, it is. I mean, the Internet of Things is a very, very broad activity. The Internet of Sensing is what we're about, which is really, we use the Internet as a means to transmit our data because it's cost effective and easy. But this has got immense benefits not only to the passenger but also to the airline and for the maintenance people. And it goes across many market sectors. We're concentrating on aerospace at the moment.
And is it just in use in the aerospace industry?
No, I've had it in use since 2012 in rail, and we do reliability monitoring. So we sense different things, and we can do predictive maintenance on behalf of the rail companies. So that gives them a very, very good cost benefit.
So the technology is already proven. So one sentence, tell me the benefits of this remote technology, SpriteAero, for the passenger journey.
Improved passenger experience. That's what it's about.
Andrew, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Now, for the latest, of course, on everything aerospace, head right now to our website, wearefin.com.